We're walking out on the Whale Tail here in Costa Rica, and I'm just looking back towards the coast. Really beautiful. And even more beautiful is my wife. And she'll probably make me delete this. But it's a weird phenomenon here, because you walk out on the sandbar out to the tail, and this is gone during high tide, and so you got the water coming in on this side, and the water and waves on that side of the sandbar, and then the Whale Tail is way out there that goes to the left and to the right. This rock, which probably makes this thing happen, but pretty cool. I'm gonna walk it now. See ya.